Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to disable incognito mode in Google Chrome step by step. So here actually you can see, if I open that one, you will able to see that there is an incognito window option available in here. So if you want to disable that option, you just need to follow some guide. So here actually you just need to go over here, search, and or you can click on Windows 1 and then search for registry editor and just open this one. Once you open it, you will get to see something like this. Let's wait a bit, it will open here, and then you just need to find out an options called. So here you just need to go into the Apple level and then expand this H key current user, and then you just need to go to the software. Once you come over here, then you just need to go over that place which called policy. So here you can see this is the policy one. So under this policy option, you just need to create another one. Let's click key, and I will give the name will be Google, and then I will hit enter. Once you go over here and then again click on. So here you just need to click on key, and then you can give a name or key over here, or you can delete it. So let's click to the Google delete, and then actually now here actually you can see it become hide. So here under this Google, you just need to create another key that will be Chrome, and once it's done, then you just need to select the Chrome and come over that right place and click on key and give the name. So here let's click to the key and just give a name. Let's remove that one before, just delete. Okay, that's okay. So under this key, you just need to add it in here. So just click over here and you can give a string value actually. So here you can see it already become hide again. So here you just need to click over here to the new, and then you just need to click on the word 32-bit value and then click this one, and you just need to copy this one like as it has. So click over here and then click modify, and I will give the name will be something this. So let's remove this one first of all. Yes, I will remove it. Then go to the key, and then I will select this one and I will paste the name same as it. So you just need to copy this one, and then here actually you can see it already been done. Now if you click on modify, you can give a value in here. It's totally up to you. Now you just need to restart your computer. Once you restart, you will eventually see that your incognito window will be disabled. So this is the easiest way. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.